how to add caption or subtitles, text edges like drop shadow, raised or outline on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then, on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. And from here, tap on caption preference. After that, we then tap on caption size and style. Then tap on caption style. In here, make sure you select custom. Then we scroll down and tap on edge type. From here, there are a few different options that you could choose. The default or none or outline. So this is what it looks like when it's outlined. So I need to change my text color to say white or default. So here we can change it to outline. We can add drop shadows to the text. Now because of the black background, so we cannot see the drop shadow, but if you set a different colors, you can see a drop shadow. So that's how you can choose a an edge type for your caption. So here you can see it's raised text. So that's how you can change or set your caption or subtitles with an edge type. Here I will choose the default. And finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.